Hi Bridget, how you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm doing all right. Thank you for asking. So, what's going on right now?
Feeling a little down today.
Okay. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Like, I just feel like the whole world's against me, and I just feel that I just I just feel like I can't do anything right, even though that I'm getting praised at work and I'm getting good marks in school. Something's just dragging me down today.
Okay. Okay. Do you feel like have you felt like this for a long period of time or just today?
I guess just the stretch of this week. It's only been 3 days, you know. I
Okay.
and I don't feel like this very often, but like just something about midweek slump. I'm just feeling just I don't know. I don't know how to shake it.
Okay. So, you're feeling like you So you're feeling like you're not good enough and you're not meeting, like, is it your expectations or is it other people's expectations?
A little bit of both. Like I'm just not feeling motivated. Like I'm not motivated to clean the house. I'm not motivated to do homework, but I do it because I have to, but like I'm just tired. I'm mentally and physically just wore out.
Hmm. Okay. So from what I understand is that you are feeling burnt out from multiple aspects of your life.
Mhm. Yeah, like I'm I have a vacation planned and I'm ready for it. Like I think it's well deserved and well needed for like a
Mm-hmm.
refresh, a reframe, just to get away from everything. Because I am just my battery level is just like
Okay. Can you tell me um a little bit more about this vacation that's coming up?
yeah, we're going to Florida and it's gonna be really fun because like we're gonna be around like the second family and you know we always have a seafood boil and um
Mhm.
like our from our patio you can see like the beach and it's really cool and last year there was lizards everywhere and like iguanas and like I woke up to a lizard on our screen door and I took a picture of it. It was really cool. But
Mhm. Okay.
the only downfall was the sunburn. My sunburn was really bad and I blistered, but it did its thing and you know.
All right. So we have this vacation coming up and
Mhm.
you've been feeling some burnout. If there was one thing that you could do to if there was one thing that you could, like, if you could make a wish, like a genie in a bottle, per like when it comes to the issue of burnout, what's one wish you would do to help with this burnout?
I guess to have like to take the load off of me, like to
Mhm.
lessen the load, not necessarily take it away because I'm because I feel like there is good stress out there, but it's
Mhm.
just compiling, it's becoming bad stress.
Okay. So, can you think of one step or one thing that you could do to help take some of the load off of your plate right now?
I don't know, like I guess when it comes to my house, like I guess like I could start cleaning like little by little instead of focusing on one room. Like or the whole house at the same time, like a little spot here, a little spot there.
Hmm.
When it comes to my self-esteem and stuff, like the feeling down, like I don't know. I don't know if I should like change maybe my outlook or like my expectations for myself because I'm pretty hard on myself at times. Um, because I know what I'm capable of and I know, you know, what I can do as a person. But, when I get stressed out like this, I just feel like I'm just weighted down.
Okay. So something to think about is when you have burnout,
Mhm.
um, you might feel it in other aspects of your life, like you
Mhm.
were saying about like self-esteem. Um, that might be it might be good to set a goal to, to work on either one of those where we
Mhm.
can either help with the self-esteem or the burnout and within one another, that can help lighten the load a little bit.
Mhm.
So, you were to say, just to circle back, you said about like at home, lightening your load at home. What would be a good goal that that we could set maybe for next session to help
Mhm.
lighten that load a little bit for you on at home.
I don't know, maybe like journaling my progress, maybe. Like I'm not sure. Like I did see on TikTok they have one of those. I don't have ADHD, but it's called an ADHD clean book. And
Mm-hmm.
like it kind of makes it so like each day like there's a different like cleaning checklist. I thought about looking into that too, like to kind of help me, like to help guide it so it's not as rigorous and it's telling me what to do.
Okay. So I'm hearing that you want to create like a cleaning plan so you're not doing everything at home all at once. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, I think that that's a goal that we could, set together. Um, so with that, how are you going to use like a free resource online, or are you going to order this book from TikTok?
Well, I'm gonna see if there is an online resource for that. If so, like I can print
Mhm.
that off. But, like my last resort is buying it off of TikTok and seeing what that looks like. Because I don't think they're that expensive. I just, you know, I thought it was neat to be organized and because I'm haven't been very organized lately.
Mhm. All right. So by next week, can we say that maybe you look for the cleaning guide, whether that be the like a resource online or buy the one from TikTok? Um can we have that by our next session?
Yeah, I think we can. Yeah, I can definitely look into that.
All right. That sounds good. Is there anything else you would like to discuss in our session before we end today?
No, I don't think so.
Alrighty. Well, thank you, Bridget, for taking the time to talk with me. And if you get, yeah, we'll have let you get that resource,
Mhm.
and then yeah, I will follow up with that next week.
You ready?
Can you hear her?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. No.
Oh no, 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 no. I can't hear your daughter. I thought you were talking about Courtney.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Whew.
You ready for feedback time?
Yes.
Okay, so my biggest thing for this week is you were stumbling a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Like with your beginning, you were stumbling over what you wanted to address with what Bridget said. And
Mm-hmm.
then you also stumbled over trying to like ask the miracle question because it seemed like you weren't sure if you wanted to use that or do something else.
Yeah.
And then you were also stumbling a lot in the last like 2 minutes of like, I guess, trying to fill that time.
Oh yeah.
So that's my
Definitely.
biggest critique for this week was the amount of times you were stumbling.
Okay. Well, thank
You
you.
did really well with redirecting Bridget into something more positive at the beginning when she was talking about how like she was feeling burnt out and was being overwhelmed and even looked like she was getting overwhelmed by talking about it. So that was a good little redirect to like should be like, "Hey, something positive. Let's focus on that for a second and then we can go back into the hard stuff."
Mhm.
And then I also like that you were setting an easy and achievable goal for like you to follow up on for the both of you to follow up on for like the next session. Because
Mhm.
like hypothetically, like the sessions are either like every other week or like a month apart. So like that was a good easy goal for you guys to set for that one.
Bridget,
My
do
only,
you have any
yeah,
feedback?
yeah. My only thing is like I feel like we should explore. We should have explored the goal a little bit more. Like I feel like I, since I know what some of the things are, since I do it at work, and I clearly we're learning it here. Like
Mm-hmm.
I felt like I was, when I said journaling and stuff, like I feel like a normal person isn't going to jump into journaling because they might not know that exists or they might not know what that means. That's my only critique. But other than that, though, I feel like everything went flowingly. And like, I mean, yeah, of course you stumbled, but going first is not all that great sometimes. But but overall, though, I think that it went well.
Well, thank you.